Meet Uncountable, your team's new home for research and development. The Uncountable platform lets you manage information from across the lab so that your team can learn from the experiments they're running every day. At Uncountable, we emphasize the ability to search, filter, and analyze all of the data you collect. That starts with the experiments themselves. Today, scientists report searching through spreadsheets or notebooks for experiments run in the past. With Uncountable, all of your experiments are always just a search away. Simply enter in the specifications your customer is looking for and find the ones that meet the specs. Advanced formulation development tools allow for creating and changing experiments according to complex constraints and calculations. Experiments need to satisfy cost limits, balance stoichiometric ratios, and consider individual component densities. This means you can ditch your company's custom spreadsheet setup and give scientists the flexibility they need to formulate the product of the future. Meanwhile, by modeling production workflows, experiments capture the complexities involved in scaling up a product. Each step can be customized and translates directly to the structure of the experiments, allowing that process to be encoded within the experiment itself. Despite the prevalence of spreadsheets, in practice, measurements taken in the lab can't be easily represented just by a list of numbers. With Uncountable, scientists can specify the exact conditions under which an experiment was run, so that you can accurately compare measurements taken by colleagues across the world. And when your standard procedure lab varies by lab location, we help you to make sure your scientists have a place to easily record all of the relevant details. Meanwhile, Uncountable's data storage system can record multiple replicates, overlay customer specifications, and allow scientists to mark data points as outliers. All of the miscellaneous notes made in the lab have a home in Uncountable, where they can be used by other scientists for analysis and visualization. Our platform lets you embed curves and images directly in the results and use Uncountable's tools to compare the results across experiments. We simplify data entry by letting your scientists drag and drop files directly from your lab equipment. Integrations can be configured within the user interface and allow for customizing the mapping of series of values and headers to different entities within the experiments. With all of the data now structured and in one place, scientists can take advantage of Uncountable's visualization tools to find trends and learn from the data. All of these visualizations can be brought together inside dynamic reports. Intermix text, PDF files, graphs, and images, and then export it all out to present and share with your team or end customers. You can use Uncountable to track all of your ongoing R&D projects and create a place for each scientist to put their data. With built-in role-based access control and security, you can ensure that only the right team members have access to your experiment data. There's more to the lab environment than running experiments. Uncountable puts everything in one place by connecting together inventory, equipment, management, scheduling, and lots more. Want to learn more? Sign up for a demo today and discover how you can take your data to new heights. Uncountable, the future of lab data management.